One of the most common and favorite skills is the on-page SEO specialist skill. Now, this is a fantastic skill on its own because it will literally audit the entire page or an entire site, and then break down the issues that is there as far as on-page elements are concerned. It'll also give you the fixes, and you can have a well-optimized website, at least from the on-page, on-site side of things, right? So first it's going to ask you for the URL. Go ahead and add in the URL of the site. Next is going to ask you what you expect from this skill. So you want a full on-page audit. You want to diagnose certain things. You want to optimize certain things. Let me go ahead and ask it for a full on-page audit. And that's about it. There's nothing else for me to do. It's going to go ahead, study the website, analyze it. You might have to also allow, if you have this set to manual, right? If you like to bypass it, you could toggle this. But then all you have to do is relax, and it's going to give you a complete report as far as the on-page items are concerned. Now note that you can also connect your SEMrush. If you have SEMrush, use SEMrush. You could connect your Search Console if you want a more comprehensive on-page report, right? But due to time reasons, and I don't want this video to be very long, it's quite long anyways, I won't go ahead and connect this, but you always have this option as well, even connected, to get a more detailed and comprehensive report. But even if you don't use any of these additional tools, it's still fine. Claude still does a really good work. You can see that it has all these steps included in the skill, right? So it's going to research the SERPs, it's going to audit your title tags, your EEAT, schema markups, internal linking, and it's going to give you a report and also the fixes with it. So I'll get back to you once the report is done. So the report is done, and you can see we have everything over here. All right, now you scroll down, you see it gives you the existing title tags and meta description suggestion. You can see the character, because the character count is not on point. The keywords might not be in place. You have the heading hierarchy over here. You also have things like, check this out. It says that the static homepage copy was last modified on May 2025. That's 15 months old. All right. And we know that we always have to keep the content fresh, right? So running these sorts of audits is really helpful. You know what needs to be done according to, the Google updates and Google's guidelines and best practices, really. Scroll down, there's more information over here. Consider adding an FAQ block. There doesn't seem to be any right now. Internal linking, currently 59 internal links. It's quite healthy. And there's some more information about schema. And then you could also, like I mentioned, connect your GSC, SEMrush, Ahrefs for that matter, or any other tool. You can always customize this skill. So like I mentioned, go and get your hands on this skill and all other skills that you get in the marketplace. The link is in the description.